Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix SCUM not launching or just crashing on PC. And let's get straight into the video. So the first method you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the library. From library, go over to the game once you find it, right click on it and go ahead and hit properties. Now from here, go over to installed files and then go ahead and select to verify integrity of game files. Now this should be one fix for the issue. The second solution you guys can try doing is by going over to the search bar, typing in device manager. Once the device manager is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. If you have the NVIDIA app installed, you can also manually update your drivers from there instead. And what you can also do is, if you're on AMD, you can use the AMD equivalent app. Anyways, once the NVIDIA app is open, you can go ahead and make your way over to drivers. From drivers, go over to download if you have any downloads available, and then go ahead and just download. And yeah, once you do all of these methods, I highly recommend restarting your PC and you guys should be good to go. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.